Assalamu alaikum. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Increase our relationship to our Lord. So do we need a good relationship with Allah? Yes or no? Yeah. We need it. We need a very good relationship with Allah. So to overcome all the challenges we face from the very beginning. I am hearing the word challenges, challenges, challenges. So to overcome all the challenges we face in our daily life, of course, we have to make a very good relationship and attachment with our Lord Allah, and Sajda is a solution. It is secret formula. Yeah, this is the time to interact with Allah. Private conversation with Allah. This is the high time to make dua. So if you face any difficulty, settle with your Lord before you settle with the people you are facing problem in your academic career. Settle with your master, the master of mankind, when settle with your department of the university. You are facing problem in your business career. Settle with Allah first, then you discuss in your business area. You are facing probably in your family, society. Settle with Allah first, then you discuss in your business area. I repeat again, you are facing probably in your family, society. Settle with Allah first, then settle with people, dear brothers and sisters, because it is very high time to interact with Allah. Try use the potential, try to use the opportunity, try to interact with Allah, and the solution will be come to you, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.